Children, today I am going to take social class for third standard. Children, today I will start third term portions, okay? Third term portions. Children, there are many cities in India, isn't it? Yes, there are many cities in India. Some of these are called metropolitan cities, isn't it? What is the meaning of metropolitan? Metropolitan cities means these are big cities. Even Bangalore also metropolitan city. BBMP, Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike, no? That like. See, metropolitan city. Metropolitan means big cities. They are large with respect to their size, area and population. Metropolitan city, we are their size, area and populations and largeness we are considered. Okay children, these cities are the main business, industrial and financial centers of our country. These cities means metropolitan cities are main business, industrial and financial centers of our country. Understood? Today we will go learn about important cities. First lesson, important cities. Okay. Next, we will see what are the important city. First, we shall learn about the 4 metropolitan city. What are the cities? See, first of all, we learn people from different parts of our country live and work in these cities. Different kinds of people live in our metropolitan city with these cities play an important part in the progress of our country, isn't it? These cities, important cities of Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, these cities an important part in the progress of our country. They are like Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata and Chennai, isn't it children? See, apart from these 4 metros, we shall also learn about other major cities which have grown in the past few years. Which have grown in fast and in few years, we learn other major cities. Understood? We shall also learn about other major cities. All these cities are well connected to other part of India by road, rail and air routes. Isn't it? Last class already we learned modes of transport. Transportation connected to the one place to another. So all these cities means like Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata and Chennai are well connected to other parts of our India country, no, our country by road, rail and air routes. Most of them also have international airports. Most of them cities have international airports and are the central hub of their states. With our other states, central hub. Almost most of them cities central hub of their states. Okay, let us start learn about Delhi. First city, important city, Delhi. Delhi. Are you here? Delhi? Yes. Delhi lies in northern India. In India, north direction is there in Delhi city. Earlier it was a union territory, but now it is known as the National Capital Territory. See children, How many are there in national union territories? 7, no? One of the most popular and capital territories, Delhi. National capital territory. Delhi is national capital territory. Children, in our country, 7 national union territories is there, no? What are? For example, Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar, Pondicherry, like that. So, Delhi is one of the one of the union territory we call national capital territory, because Delhi is our capital of India, isn't it? Like Bangalore, Karnataka capital is Bangalore, no? Same like this, India capital Delhi. So we call national capital territory. Okay. Delhi is located on the banks of the river Yamuna. Delhi is located on the banks of river. Which river? Yamuna river. Okay. Delhi shares its border with Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Delhi shares its border with Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Do you see, children? See here. This is our India map. See here, in red color is there, no? This one, Delhi, north direction. North. This is west, east, north and south, no? So this is north direction, northern India. So this is Delhi. Okay. Delhi shares its border with Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Delhi is a historical city. Historical city means what historical monuments places are there. So we are called historical city. It is one of the oldest capitals of the world. Oldest capitals of the world. It was first built by the Pandavas and was called Indraprastha. So Delhi first built by the Pandavas. You know Pandavas? In Mahabharata we learned Pandavas names. So it was first built by the Pandavas and it was called Indraprastha. First built by Pandavas and is called Indraprastha in olden days. Okay, Indraprastha. Okay. The Mughals who came thousands of years later called it Shahjahanabad. After that, the Mughals who came thousands of years later called it what? Shahjahanabad. Shahjahanabad. Okay. It was the capital of all the rulers who ruled India in the fastest day in olden days. Who ruled India? They are capital. They are the capitals of India in empire. So parts of the old walled city with the ports and monuments can still be seen in Delhi. Still nowadays also we will see some historical places and historical monuments, gardens. New Delhi was built by The Britishers, when they are ruled India, when they are ruled before independent India, that time Britishers, they built was New Delhi. Built New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India since independence. Okay. New Delhi and Old Delhi. Old Delhi and New Delhi are the two parts of Delhi. Old Delhi. Old Delhi and New Delhi are the two parts of Delhi. Delhi have two kinds part. One is Old Delhi, one is New Delhi. As New Delhi is the capital of India. Understood? New Delhi is the capital of India. All important central government offices are located there. All important central government offices are located there. Where? Delhi. The president, the prime minister and the minister of the central cabinet reside in New Delhi. Understood? Our prime minister, our president, our cabinet, central cabinet ministers are reside in New Delhi. The president of India lives at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Our president, who is our president now? Ramnath Kovind now. See, Ramnath Kovind lives at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The famous Mughal gardens are situated here. Where? Near by Rashtrapati Bhavan. Most famous Mughal gardens. Okay. See, this is the picture of Rashtrapati Bhavan. This is the picture of Rashtrapati Bhavan. Next, Rajpath is a road leading from the Rashtrapati Bhavan of India Gate. Did you see India Gate? In Independence Day, Republic Day, we are celebrate that day. India Gate, now Rajpath. See, this is the India Gate. So Rajpath is a road. Rajpath, we call that's a road. We call Rajpath. Rajpath is a road leading from the Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate. To India Gate to Rashtrapati Bhavan, leading a path is a Rajpath. India Gate is a monument built in memory of all those soldiers who laid down their lives for our country. More than army people, soldiers are died for India country, our India country. No, the memory of all those soldiers who laid down their lives for our country, we are built monument for the soldiers. So that called Amara Jawan Jyoti. Did you see some Kargil Day? We are celebrating Kargil Day, that other army day, no? That time the burn flames that day. So Amara Jawan Jyoti, we call that Amara Jawan Jyoti. The central flame burns here. Where? Amar Jawan Jyoti in India Gate. Did you understand, children? Okay. Next, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha seasons are held at the Parliament House. Did you see Parliament House? Central Parliament House. This is a Parliament House. Okay. Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. In Karnataka, Vidhana Sabha and Vidhana Parishad is there, no? That like Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha seasons are held at the Parliament House, which is a big circular government building. See that the Parliament House, like big circle building, big circle building. So other government offices are situated near the Parliament House. In like Bangalore in Vidhana Saudha is there, no, that like. In Delhi, the summers are very hot and dry. Delhi weather in summers are very hot and dry. The dry, hot winds also that blow during summer are called loo in Hindi. We call in Hindi loo. Hot winds that blow during summers we are called loo in Hindi. Okay, the winters are cold. As usual, the winters are cold. Rain falls mainly in July and August month. Only in, for the year, only July and August month we see rainfall. Next, historical monuments. We learn Delhi weather and some political buildings. Now we will learn about historical monuments. Historical monument. First one, Red Fort. Did you see Red Fort? On the occasion of Independence Day, our Prime Minister hosts the flag on the top of Red Fort. Delhi has many historic buildings. Yes, we call this Delhi also historical city. Okay, so Delhi has many historic buildings. Old Delhi has the Red Fort. Old Delhi. Delhi have two parts, no? First one Old Delhi and New Delhi. So Red Fort in Old Delhi. We also call Lal Quilla. And the Jama Masjid, the largest mosque in India. Jama Masjid in Old Delhi, Jama Masjid is there. This is largest mosque in India. These were built by Shah Jahan. Red Fort and Jama Masjid. Built by who? As Shah Jahan. Okay. Next, who is the Shah Jahan? Shah Jahan is a Mughal emperor. Okay. There is a sound and light show held every evening at the Red Fort that despite events from Indian history. See, every evening at the Red Fort held light show. The Prime Minister of India hosts the Indian national flag from the Red Fort. Already I told, no, when Independence Day, that celebration Independence Day, our Prime Minister hosts the flag on the Red Fort. Next statue, the famous Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is a 73-meter high tower built by Qutbuddin Aibak. Built by Qutbuddin Aibak. Famous Qutub Minar is a 73-meter high tower built by Qutbuddin Aibak. Did you see Qutub Minar? See, this is a Qutub Minar tower. Next to it, see, built by Qutbuddin Aibak. Next to it is the iron pillar, which is the 7-meter high and has stood for thousands of years and has not yet rusted. Thousands of years go, but not yet rusted. Is the iron pillar. Next to it, Qutub Minar. Among the other old monuments are Humayun's tomb and the Jantar Mantar. Did you see Jantar Mantar card? It's like ulta heart shape is there, no? So like this. This is a Jantar Mantar statue. Humayun's tomb and the Jantar Mantar. The Jantar Mantar is an old observatory built by Raja Jai Singh. Raja Jai Singh second Raja Jai Singh. Next, Rajghat. Rajghat is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. Rajghat is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. Did you see Rajghat Samadhi? Rajghat, Mahatma Gandhi's Samadhi. See here. This is Rajghat, Mahatma Gandhi's Samadhi. Okay. See, other places that attract tourists are the Delhi Zoo and Nehru Museum, Planetarium and the Lodi Gardens. See, in Bangalore is there no one Indira Gandhi Planetarium, that like Nehru Planetarium. The famous religious places are Birla Mandir. Birla Mandir look like a lotus shape. Gurudwara Bangla Sahib and the famous Bahi temple, which is the shape like the lotus. So Birla Mandir look like a lotus shape. Next, New Delhi is a planned city. So it has wide roads. It has big wide roads and big gardens and clean gardens and big shopping complex centers and multi-speciality hospitals, then education centers, stadiums, international stadiums and railway station and international airports. So Delhi also has a railway system called the metro rail. In our country, first metro railway station built in Delhi, which runs on the both elevated and underground lines. Delhi has underground lines in metro. Okay, metro underground lines are there. So these are the things of New Delhi. Once again, I will summarize, children. You should. I hope all of you understood. Delhi is one of the oldest capital of the world. Did you remember? Delhi is one of the oldest capitals of the world, and Delhi is the capital of India. Then national capital territories. Already I told now. Our country has 7 union territories. So one of 10 territory is Delhi. So we call national capital territory because Delhi is our capital. Delhi is capital of our country, India. All important central government offices are located in New Delhi, isn't it? See, already I told our Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha seasons held in held at that Samsad Parliament. Okay. The President, the Prime Minister and the Minister of the Central Cabinet reside in New Delhi. Okay. Next, Delhi has many historical monuments. Already we learned which are the historical monuments. Jantar Mantar and Parliament houses, Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Rajghat, Lotus Temple, and Masjid, India's largest Masjid, Jama Masjid. Okay, children? I hope all of you understood. Next class I will give notes. Understood, children? Keep reading, keep practice. All of you safe and good. I hope all of you safe and good. Okay, children, all the best. Thank you.